Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your payment method was declined, update it or add a new payment method and try again. So guys, if you're facing this problem on your Apple ID in your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, this is very basic and simple. Simply go back to your home screen and now open settings in your device. Tap on your profile. And from here tap on payment and shipping. So guys, wait for some seconds here. And from here you have to simply remove your payment method for one time from here. So guys, simply remove your payment method for one time from here, and after this go back and now tap on sign in and security and tap on change password. So guys, enter your passcode for your iPhone and change the password for your Apple ID, and after this go back and now you have to scroll it below and you have to simply sign out your Apple ID in your device for one time. So guys, simply sign out your Apple ID for one time and after this restart your device as well. So guys, simply restart your device, again open your profile after signing in your Apple ID and now tap on payment and shipping. Again wait for some seconds here. So guys, add your payment method here again after signing in your Apple ID in your device. So guys, add your payment method and check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other solution. That is, you have to open your browser and search here for support.apple.com. Here it is. And wait again for some seconds here. So guys, select your device from here. Here I am selecting my iPhone and now scroll it below. Scroll it below all the way. So guys, from here tap on start now and you can get any kind of support from the Apple team and they will hopefully try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, if you're still facing this problem after all this, you will have to simply contact your bank for further information regarding your debit or credit card if there is any issue from your bank. So hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.